Hello, my name is Patrick. Today I want to show you how to cut with a diamond disc in concrete. For that we use an angle grinder. We check the manual. We will use a cutting guide with dust extraction outlet and also a dust extraction elbow. We need an Allen key and a vacuum cleaner. If you want to cut concrete with that angle grinder, according to the manual, you need to install that cutting guide onto that machine. And now I show you how to install. First I remove the handle. Open that lock and remove the standard protection guard. Put this guide onto the machine and turn it to your right. Open it to have access to that screw. Let's tighten this screw. Before we can install the diamond disc, we need to know the rotation direction the disc has to run. To get this information, you can check on the label if you can see an arrow. This would be the sense of rotation for that disc. On other discs, you can find an arrow somewhere engraved by laser. In other versions, maybe you can see a stamped arrow which indicates to you on which direction the disc has to run. If there is no information on the disc, you can check it like this. Let's say this segment would be this. I just enlarge it for you. Alright? Let's say here we have a small diamond coming out of the segment like this. Alright? So behind the diamond you can see like a comet tail, you know? Alright? If you can see that, you know, this would be the direction. Alright? You can check to get this information. You can check on the cutting surface or on the side of the segments, and then you will see this. To install that diamond disc onto the tool, first you need to remove the locking nut. Because the blade, we have directly to put the blade on the backing flange, you know. So here you can see the arrow. And as you can see here on the tool side is an arrow as well. Huh? And these two arrows, they need to go in the same direction. So and now this will be the direction. So now we fix it with the locking nut. Alright. Here we have a key. You need to tighten the screw with that key. But for that reason, once you fixed the spindle with the spindle lock, you can tighten the locking nut until the diamond blade is well fixed. Once the auxiliary handle is installed, you need to adjust the tool on the right cutting depth. When you reach the right cutting depth, just fix the cutting rail with that screw. Install the dust extraction elbow here, connect it is the hose of the vacuum cleaner. And now we are ready to plug the tool. Fix the object you want to cut. Second, wear safety equipment. The cutting direction is pushing. Now we push the tool. And always start the tool before you touch the object you want to cut. Perfectly done.